gonna talk. We're gonna have this conversation serious. I'm gonna film, okay? Yeah, sorry guys. We started filming this when it was light outside, but then kids happened. I thought I'd just put out a video and actually ask a couple of questions of you guys and hear your thoughts and your opinion about things. We've been throughout Europe with the car now, and we've seen, as you've seen in the other video. If you haven't seen it, go see it and then come back or whatever. No one's gonna do that. But we got to try out the car in various situations, and I got a feel for it. And there's a few things that I've noticed that came up that I thought that I just want to hear your guys' opinions about. So yeah, here we go. Let's try it. Yeah? Okay. Enough. Okay, so the first thing is the center console. I think it's a little bit too small and they could have done it in a different way. It's hard to fit 2 bottles. They made it to fit like 2 cups. No one really drinks from cups when they're out driving. You want like bigger bottles so that you can drink good, I guess. Or I don't know, maybe I'm just a thirsty person. I would prefer it to be a little bit bigger so that I can have big bottles. And if you want to have big bottles, and we try to have big bottles, you can't really reach the other things. And there is a room below for a 1 liter bottle, but it's not really doing it. You can't really fit anything in there and you can't really close it, and you want to walk around, or you want to get back here and you want to go up again and sit in the front, and you want to walk in that area, then you want to be able to close that, and we couldn't really do that. So I don't know. I think they could have done that in a different way, so that you were able to close it and also fit 2 bigger bottles, and at the same time be able to reach coins and change or whatever when you're going through, or when you're on your way and you want to reach the things that are there, so the bottles are not blocking it. The second thing is the power outlet. There is right behind me here, right down there somewhere. That it's kind of in a bad place because you can't really reach that area, and it's like there is so much things that you want to be able to just have open so that you can unplug and plug and just handle it, but everything is kind of hidden away and stuck in one place, when it would be, maybe I think it would be better to put everything here.
Zone.
It's open, it's on top of things, you don't have to bend down, and you can just, okay, plug it right there. The third thing, let me see, let's unplug this thing here. Where is it? There we go. So the third thing is the trunk back here. It's kind of dark now, so I don't know if you guys can see it. But I want to be able to open this from the inside, and there is really no way of doing that at this point. So every time you have to open it, you want to open it, you have to go outside and open it up. I don't know, maybe I'm just lazy, but it would be pretty cool if you can just lay in the bed's been made, and you can just lay in here and, I don't know, just unhook the trunk and just open it up. That would be awesome.
And we can sleep right here.
Anyway, that would be so cool if you can just open up from the inside and you don't have to walk outside every time. Yes, you could, I don't know, use a string and hold it down. And I saw online that there are some hooks that you can use. I don't know how that really works. But yeah, just be able to open it from the inside would be a really awesome feature. All right, what else? These ones here. You get 2 of them. There's another one here. I don't know. Yeah, okay, it just came undone. I don't really know where to use both of them, because this one barely fits here if I'm going to be able to get the table out at the same time. And usually I actually take it off because it's pretty much in the way. But what would have been really cool would be if you could connect it up here somewhere, or maybe even up here, so you can hang stuff down, I don't know, kitchen tools or whatever, or maybe even have some sort of a shelf here some shelf action going on. I don't know if you can take something down. That would be pretty handy when you're cooking or when you're doing stuff in the kitchen and you just want to get things out of the way for a short period of time. And then when you're driving, of course, you can get it up again. Again, let me know what you guys think about that. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Just a short, like, just to see what you guys think and where you're at with things and how you guys done it. Maybe you have a different solution to things. So yeah, let me know. See you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye bye. Want to say bye?
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye bye.
Can you look at them and say bye?
Bye.